quick little unboxing of the Makita leaf blower. Cordless blower, DUB 185. You get a little leaflet of all the tools you haven't got in there, all the tools you want. Instructions. Declaration of conformity. An attachment, which I'm guessing goes in there, and then oh yeah, it's got a little arrow there, so in, and then turn it right to lock it so it can't come out. No batteries, so you have to charge it. Comes with one 3-amp battery, 18 volt, and a charger. So a quick little unboxing, and then once I've been using it for a bit, I'll tell you how I'm getting on with it and how I like it. But obviously I watch Ryan cook and that, so this is what he uses. I got the little yellow one off Amazon. It was like £65, but it just felt like it was going to break, so I've sent that back and I've got this instead. So this is my first Makita tool, actually, apart from the die grinder. Obviously I've got that die grinder as well, but I haven't really used it yet. This is first one that needs batteries, cordless. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll do a video on it once I've used it for a bit and see if it gets all the dust out of the carvings, see how it moves the wood chippings around the garden. Just an easiness really, but obviously it's a lot easier to blow the dust out. I haven't got a compressor either, so it's a lot easier to blow the dust out of the gaps in the carvings, in the little nooks and crannies, and then at the end of the day, instead of having to brush and sweep, easy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, please, appreciate it. Boom boom boom. I'll get it charged up, see how it does. A few months. Boom 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 boom. And another little thing is stuff like that's got a handle, but you don't want to keep taking that off, and you don't want to damage the slot where the battery goes, and you just want it up and out the way. 2 little hoops on the end of a piece of string. That's how the piece of string started. There you go. So that can be the same thing for your file sander. Just grab the one loop, put it there, hook onto the hook. Obviously, just make a few more. But yeah, just another little thing to keep them organised and stop having to get them in and out of a drawer or whatever. The tools you use a lot, you want to be able to just boom and you're gone. And oh yeah, finished with that for now, but I'm going to need it again in about 5 minutes. So 2 loops, a hook, job's a good one.